Vidya Lakshmi Education Loan Scheme, Vidya Lakshmi Shiksha Rin. Attention 12th pass student. Government of India is giving education loan for studying nursing, paramedical, pharmacy, engineering, BTech, MTech, BBA, MBA and all other professional courses. Up to 7,50,000 rupees education loan is available without security, without guarantor. Government of India is giving this loan through Vidya Lakshmi Education Loan Scheme from Pradhan Mantri Skill India Yojana. For further information, please contact Dr. Ashok Sen, mobile number 9748090754. I repeat, mobile number 9748090754. Our office in Kolkata, Bangalore and Guwahati. Please contact.